So we were out here working on Mason's mini bike, and I thought I should have already made a video about this thing. It's the first real project me and him have been doing together where he really likes it. But my boss gave me this old pressure washer motor. It's a 5.5 horse Briggs, and the carburetor was full of white chalky powder, and the gas tank was full of water. And so we got this old mini bike frame. The forks were bent. They still kind of are, you can tell. But the forks were bent like all the way back under it. So we put it on the trailer, hooked ratchet straps this way, ratchet straps that way, and pulled the forks back out straight. Pretty sure they're cracked about in half. Does the oil look bad? It is black, isn't it? But anyway, so we put it on this frame, and the factory gas tank off this motor fit perfect right here. I love how it looks. We zip tied that on because that's a permanent mount, right? Zip ties? Yeah. And so we made a header for it out of some pipe, because that's actually a pipe threaded cylinder head. And, you know, took the breather off. We got a clutch off Amazon for it. Already had a chain around here. We had this old spring-loaded tensioner off of like an electric mini bike. We put that on there. This is a, these are on Amazon. It was $13 for 2 of them. And I saw some pictures where people had put these on the sprocket like this. I've never run one that way. Our other ones have a rotor and then a sprocket. And this one we decided to put on here. So I had to stack some washers in there to make the wide enough to fit around the sprocket because it's wider than a rotor. And it already had the mounting holes for it. We didn't have to change any of that. We did have to make some spacers in here to space the rear end over the right distance, and replace the bearings in this back wheel. But it's got these cool old white wall tires on it that I guess are probably original to it. I have no idea what year this frame is. Somebody may know how old this is, but it appears to be the original seat in good shape. So we stole these off the girls' bicycles, and this one's the throttle. So we got a brake lever as our throttle, and we got a bicycle brake as our brakes too on here. So I guess that's all we did to it. We Mason put the on-off switch on here. I can't remember what this was off of, but it was in a pile of stuff we had. So we got it running the other day. We still got to tune it in a little better. We're going to change the oil in it and adjust the brakes, because it pretty much didn't have any brakes because it was too loose. So we're going to loosen this and tighten the cable up a little bit. But just going to make a little video. We pieced together the cable. We had a long piece of cable, but we had like a short liner and another short one, so we just butted them up together and zip tied them on there. But this is his little mini bike we've been working on. It's pretty cool. So we're gonna change the oil on it and test drive this thing.